What's happening, everybody? It's Christian and Alexis, and today we are talking about tiny house bathrooms. You know, because everybody... Wait, I said not... Oh, crap.
He's nuts. Anyway, no matter the size house, a bathroom is one of the most important rooms. And in tiny houses, they range from extremely rustic to high-end luxurious.
While most tiny house bathrooms use traditional materials, some DIYers really like to mix it up.
These crafty folks get creative with low-cost alternative materials for things like bathroom flooring and shower surrounds.
I've got actually found firewood on the side of the road and cut it to 3/4 of an inch, glued it down, and I still need to pour an epoxy over it, but just one of those little features that, you know, you can do whatever you want and you don't have to worry about your resale value or what people are going to think, because I thought it was cool and so I did it.
Depending on how you prioritize your living space, you can make your bathroom as tiny or as spacious as you want to.
It can even be wheelchair accessible. One of the best things about tiny homes is that you can design around what's most important to you, even in the bathroom. And Ryan and Patricia's 30-foot wandering cabin is a great example of this.
So next we can head into the bathroom. Another space we wanted to maximize was the bathroom for us, and I think the bathtub was the first start. We wanted the biggest bathtub we've ever had, and it works. It's a great space in here. We do have a shower. Everything we custom made out of copper, so all the piping, which we love. That's another accent piece for us. And then we just built a custom closet. You know, we each get 2 drawers and a space for hanging clothes. Eventually we'll kind of close it off and make it nicer to look at. And then composting toilet, that is a major deal for us. That way we only have gray water. We use everything biodegradable soaps, and so that's nice. We like to kind of minimize that, our exposure to that, and our footprint. So.
And one of my favorite tiny house bathrooms is the Colorigan, because every inch of this bathroom is maximized.
So this is our one side of our bathroom. One thing that I wanted to do, as I mentioned earlier, is we wanted to get the laundry unit out of the kitchen. And so this is kind of my solution to build this like cabinet area for this. And we use our cloth diaper storage, our baby blankets and swaddles and all kinds of stuff. And actually we use this for our personal closet as well. So we have our, you know, clothes and pants, and this is basically all we use it for. So that's all the clothes that we really have is between the 2 closets. And then, so one thing I did is I built it, like raised our washer and dryer up off the floor so we can get our laundry basket underneath here. And then we have like detergent and stuff like that underneath, and just for other storage. Yeah, so like over here you can see this big long mirror. I saw this on Pinterest or somewhere. To hide your brooms, because we sweep a lot. So I inset a little cabinet for our brooms and Swiffer, and yeah, it works awesome. On the other side is our shower. One thing I wanted to do is I wanted a decent shower. So this is actually a full-on corner shower straight from Home Depot. So it's got a couple things in here because we keep some stuff a little organized, like wet stuff. But my wife's idea actually is this little swivel towel rack. So when we're not showering, we can put it inside the shower, and when we're showering, we can swivel it out, and it hides it and it makes it useful. So pretty nice. So yeah, this is our little sink area. This is straight from IKEA. I recognize it. One thing that I've done to our bathroom, because we live in Colorado, it gets really cold in the wintertime, so a lot of problems that a lot of places have is freezing pipes. So you don't really notice it, but since I'll tell you, you'll just know, is I actually built our walls on the inside of the bathroom a little bit thicker so I can run all my plumbing and piping on the inside of the insulation just to get that much more coverage with protection. Another thing for me personally, I hate cables, and so I wanted to hide my wife's straightener and hair dryer and all kinds of stuff, so I did this little like pop out little cabinet, and so I actually installed a outlet inside there so we can just put all of our cables inside. So it works quite nicely. By mentioning the use of wall space, because of there's a little bit of space in there, I installed a little magazine rack, toilet paper thing into the wall as well, so you can actually get things off the floor or off the wall.
Our friends at Living Tiny with the Bushes have a really comfortable bathroom. It's so well laid out, it doesn't even feel like it's in a tiny house.
So we have a stacked unit here. It's a Whirlpool washer and dryer, so I can do it separately, do one load of wash, one load of dry at the same time. This is the closet. This was originally going to be my wife's closet, and I was going to use the one up above, but then I realized I couldn't quite reach that high. So what we did was we split them half and half, and we do the stuff that we wear pretty regularly here in the closet, and then the stuff not so often we put up in the top storage loft. We have a standard flush toilet and a vessel style sink. We still got to put our vanity up. We haven't taken care of that part yet. I'm just kind of finishing some things off. We added some hooks for our towels and whatnot. And we have a 36 by 36 fiberglass shower. And also some additional storage space here to the side for towels and linens and toilet paper and all of those things that you need in the bathroom. We also had them put in an additional vent fan. They normally just do one vent fan per bathroom. But when my wife washes her hair, it's a really long process and it takes a really long time and the bathroom gets really steamy. We've always heard from other people that moisture can be a real issue in a tiny house, so we wanted to make sure that we were good and we weren't going to have any problems.
So how do you make a bathroom work in an extra tiny house? Famous designer Jay Schaefer shows you how.
All right, on the opposite side of the entryway from the kitchen, I've got the bathroom, which is everything you would have in a bathroom, but smaller. The sink and the tub and the shower are all combined as one thing. So it's a Japanese style tub, and it's got a little step in there so you can get into it easily, but it's very deep, but not very wide, because I don't have much linear lateral space to work with. And there's a toilet in there as well.
When you're extra short on square footage, another approach to a tiny house bathroom is to separate the toilet space from the shower space. And that's just what the 98 square tiny house did by putting the shower outside on the front porch. And we got to try it out.
It's awesome. I love being naked outside.
Oh, hello.
Hey, I'm Rhodes with 98 Squared. I'm an Airbnb superhost and I specialize in tiny, unique rentals that inspire connection. So inside here across from the kitchen is the toilet and room for some of the essentials you might need while traveling, making use of every single inch underneath the stairs. So this is a state-of-the-art compost toilet made by Separate. So I was able to fit the toilet underneath the stairs because it was toilet only. That allowed me to do the short span of stairs. But my favorite feature, and also my guest's favorite feature about this house, is the outdoor shower. So for an entrance porch, I wanted that covered so that, when you're arriving, you're not necessarily standing out in the rain, but I wanted to utilize that space and also create this amazing cedar-lined shower. So it's quite spacious in here. This sliding door, or hinged door, is what actually allows it to be private, while you also feel all the outside space.
Oh, hello.
How's the shower?
Flipping awesome. We need one.
The fly fishing tiny house is a great example of how to create a fully functioning bathroom, but using a tiny footprint.
Yeah, it has enough room for a toilet, a sink, and even a little bitty stock tank bathtub. This reminds me of a hot tiny house bathroom topic,
Oh yeah?
which is bathroom sink or no sink.
And I totally get that. We've chosen to not have a bathroom sink because our kitchen sink is 4 feet away.
Though there are times where I wish we had a sink when I'm spitting out toothpaste trying not to hit dirty dishes. But to each their own, and if we had a bigger tiny house, maybe we would have done it.
The San Juan is an epic house with an absolutely epic bathroom.
True story. I love all the character-rich decor throughout the bathroom, but most importantly, it's incredibly functional, livable space with no sacrifice at all.
In our bathroom, we both like to take baths. So we wanted a bathtub and we found this sweet tub. I think it's 55 inches, but we still want to be able to shower. So we got this guy and then we don't have the hook yet, but there will be a hook soon. Greg is working on it so that you can stand and shower. But honestly, I just sit and do one of these when I need a fast shower. And then I have to show you how comfortable our tub is because everyone's like, is it comfortable? It's really deep. And it's not, you can't like fully lay down in it, but it kind of like cradles you. And it's got a neck support, so it's very comfortable. I could take a bath right now. Here you can see we've got a penny floor. That took me a very long time and my back still hurts. There are $80 worth of pennies in here and I siliconed each one down individually and then I poured epoxy over it. And it was my first time ever doing that, but it turned out pretty good. Everyone seems to like the penny floor. It was actually Greg's idea and I fought it, but it turned out really great. I really like how it turned out. And I did all the tile work in here. We liked the chevron style. You know, I can see all of my mistakes, but it turned out really well. One of my other favorite features of our bathroom is the vanity. I really wanted it to be unique. Again, I just didn't want anything stock Home Depot. So I got this really cool dragon faucet from, I think I got it from England. And this is actually a salad bowl from New York that I just loved the peacock color inside because we were gonna do some turquoise and the brass. And then, you know, we just wanted to do something unique, so we came up with these just little different textures to add. You'll see behind the toilet I have like a little mountain chevron pattern. I wanted to be able to hang out and have some privacy and feel like I could be a girl and not have to, I don't know, do this.
As you might know, we have an exceptionally tiny home. It's built on a 20-foot trailer, but we have only about 17 feet of living space, and we've dedicated 7 feet of that to our bathroom. And we've maximized every inch with solutions like our over-the-toilet vanity, which creates usable space above the toilet, as the name implies. My favorite feature has to be the fold-down shelf, which gives me counter space. Perfect for getting ready in the morning, and it's definitely more space than I had in my previous regular size house.
So the two things that I wanted in a shower was, one, it had to be big enough that I could shower in. I didn't want to have this tight little thing, so ours is a 36-inch square. The second thing, I didn't want to have like that fiberglass white surround. That's boring. We used recycled powder-coated metal that we got from the company that gave us our roof.
They were scraps. We actually dumpster dived to get our shower, and I love the space because I can easily wash all my hair, which you guys have seen it, it's a lot. So I'm really happy that we dedicated as much space as we did for the bathroom.
So the other thing that every tiny house bathroom has to have is a door, right? So we have a real slim profile sliding door that's actually on drawer slides.
Other tiny friendly options include a sliding barn door, as long as you have enough room for all the hardware, or a pocket door that slides right into the wall, or there's things like accordion doors or even curtains.
But don't use a curtain. I mean, you can use a curtain, but don't use a curtain.
Whatever floats your boat.
Yeah. And we hope this gives you some good ideas for your future tiny house bathroom.
And inquiring minds want to know, would you prefer a shower or a bathtub?
Oh yeah. Or Sink in the bathroom or no sink in the bathroom?
Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching our video and for stopping by Tiny House Expedition. I'm Alexis.
And I'm Christian. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And for more tiny home tours and stories, click the videos below.
And join us on Patreon for bonus content,
including face-to-face conversations with us. We hope to see you there.
All right.
Thanks, guys.
Have a good one.